In this Cpagrip tutorial, I am going to show you how to make at least $100 a day with content locker. Alright, so as you can see right on your screen right here, this is a content locker landing page right here. So if I type in my username right here, so for example, alright, so basically what's going to happen is after doing this whole thing, if I decide to click on this 1000 followers and choose my device and click on continue, as you can see, the whole hacking thing is going to start happening. All right, so basically what happens in this landing page is once the visitor completes this offer, they will be redirected to any website of my choice. All right, any website that I set up on the landing page. Okay, so basically a lot of people decide to just send the visitor to a random website after they complete the offer, which means they are not going to get the followers. All right, but I have a secret website that I have been using and I got 1000 followers from this website for absolutely free. As you can see right here, 1k followers, and I don't even use this Twitch channel at all. So this website right here, if you paste your Twitch username on this website is going to detect your username and they are going to send you the followers. So when I decide to use this account right here, so let me copy the username of this account, and then I decide to want to send followers to this page. So if I click on this select, you can see this is the profile image of this account. So if I go back to Twitch, as you can see right here, this is the profile image of this account, which means this website detects the Twitch account. And if I scroll down, you can see free 1000 followers, and they have to input any email right here. Okay, so once they do that and click on get free followers, they will be sent 1000 followers for absolutely free. But I am going to be sharing this website and this content locker with only my students inside the course. But don't worry, you have an alternative of buying followers from SSM panel for about $1 or so, and you can send those followers to those who complete your content locker. So you definitely have options as well, or you can decide to just leave the content locker blank if you want to do that as well. So if I click on this, click here, right, a content locker is going to pop up. As you can see, I have this content locker hosted on OG Ads. All right, so basically this is how you do it. As you can see here, we have this Twitch right here. Okay, so I am going to show you how to do this on Cpagrip. So if we go back to Cpagrip now, all you want to do is you want to come to this content locker. All right, so once you come to this content locker, you want to click on create. Okay, so once you click on that, all right, so let me use this one as an example. You want to make sure in this box right here, you want to type in whatever you want the visitor to see. Okay, as in my case here, I typed you must complete 2 offers from the list below to receive your free Twitch followers. Your followers will automatically increase after once completed. All right, so basically this is how you do it, and you want to make sure you want to set the load method to on click. All right, so the final thing you need to do is you want to come to this advanced settings and you want to type in the URL that you want to send them to. But like I said, I am going to be sharing that URL with my students alone, but like I said, you can go on to buy followers for them, or you can decide to do it black ads if you want. All right, so you can decide to choose the number of leads that you want as well. So basically that is how you set up your locker. So once you're done, you just click on save and that's it, and you come to get code and you want to copy this code right here. And also I have a second landing page right here. Okay, so if you come to this landing page, you can see this is a 3-in-1 landing page. It has Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Okay, I have shared a lot of landing pages on this channel, so you can use those landing pages for absolutely free as well. All right, so you can see this landing page right here. So there's a lot of chance that if someone is on Twitter, there's a chance that they have an Instagram or a TikTok account. So if they come onto this page, and this free website also give free Twitter followers as well, they give free Instagram followers, they also give free TikTok followers as well. The next thing you want to do is you want to go on to Twitter and you want to create a Twitter account dedicated to this content locker right here. Okay, you want to create a Twitter account dedicated to it. So if I go back, as you can see, you want to create a Twitter account for Twitch followers. So once you do that, once you have your account created, all you just need to do is come to this tweet section and you want to type in something as simple as how many Twitch followers do you have. And I tell you, a lot of people are going to start commenting on this tweet, telling you how many followers they have, and you want to get creative and send them to the landing page. Okay, so basically once you do that, you want to come to, before you post the tweet, you want to come to right tag and you want to type in Twitch right here. So once you type in Twitch, right tag is going to give you suggestions. As you can see right here, we are targeting Twitch streamers because they are the ones who are actually looking for followers. Okay, so if you type in Twitch streamers and you want to click on this search right here, so you can see there are a lot of hashtags here that targets people who are interested in Twitch. This first hashtag right here, which says Twitch streamer. So once you include this Twitch in your post, you have the chance of getting in front of over 59,000 people. Okay, so basically you can see all these hashtags right here are related to those who are interested in Twitch. As you can see, this one right here, small Twitch, small streamers. Okay, you can see right here, once you make that tweet, you have the potential of getting in front of over 7,000 people. So basically all you need to do is copy these hashtags and you want to include them in your post. And I tell you, I've done this a lot, and you are going to see a lot of people who are going to start leaving comments on how many Twitch followers they have. Most of the time they will have less than 1,000 followers. Then you are going to get creative and you want to send them to this landing page. If you click on the first link in the description, you will be brought to this page, and if you scroll to the bottom of this page to this advanced section, you will find these strategies right here. Okay, you want to take advantage of this strategy as it's currently making me around $150 a day from this landing page alone, and you can also do the same thing as well. All right, so once you have that done, once you have the hashtag posted here, all you just need to do is tweet it out, and you are going to get a lot of people who will start leaving comments below, like I said, and you will start getting results on your content locker. Okay, so basically that is how simple it is. And if you come to SimilarWeb, you can see right here it gets over 1 billion views a month, and majority of the traffic is from first tier countries. So basically that is how easy it is. All right, so if you don't have access to this landing page, all you just need to do is, I believe I shared a lot of landing pages. I even shared some TikTok landing pages, some Instagram landing pages. So all you just need to do is you can edit those landing pages and use it for this strategy as well. You will definitely get some results with that as well. So basically I am going to show you how to do it right here. Okay, so if I take this YouTube landing page as an example, all right, as you can see right here, this is a YouTube landing page. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go on Google and type in VS Code. So if you type in VS Code download, you want to click on the first link right here. So once you click on this first link right here, you want to download. If you are on Windows, you want to download for Windows. Whatever device you are using, you want to make sure you download for your device. So if you click on this download here, if you are on Windows, it's going to download, but I am not going to download it because I have it already. So once you do that, the next thing you want to do is you want to go back to where you saved this landing page, and you want to click on the index file. All right, as you can see here, so once you right click on this index file, you want to open it with VS Code. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to open up, and as you can see right here, you can see you want to scroll to the very bottom of the page to where it says local script with loads method on click. So this is where you are going to paste in your local script. Okay, so if I paste in the local script for that Twitch locker, okay, just as an example. All right, so now once you do that, you want to click on this file and then you want to click on save. So basically this is how you edit any of those landing pages that I shared in my previous videos. Okay, so once you have that edited, the next thing you want to do is you want to host the landing page. So basically you can use GitHub or Netlify, but in this video I am going to be showing how to do it on Netlify for absolutely free. All right, so what you want to do is you want to type in netlify.com. So once you type in netlify.com, you want to click on this sign up right here. So once you click on this sign up right here, he's going to ask you to sign up with GitHub, GitLab, Gitbucket, but I believe most people don't have this option, so you want to go with this email option. So basically you want to type in your email and your password right here. They will send a confirmation email to your email account, and all you just need to do is verify and you have an account. So basically it's that simple. But in this video I am just going to log into my account. All right, so basically if you are logged into your account, this is what it's going to look like. All right, so once you are logged into your account, you want to click on this option that says add new site. So you want to click on this deploy manually. So once you click on that, you want to locate where you save this landing page. So basically all you want to do is drag the folder of this landing page into this box right here. So once you grab the folder and drop it in here, all right, all you just need to do is wait for a couple seconds. All right, as you can see, it has uploaded it. So if I click on this link right here, it should open the landing page. So let me click on this. All right, boom, as you can see right here, it's created. As you can see right here, we have this landing page hosted on Netlify for absolutely free. So if I click on this get for free, all right, so let's type in some random email. So let's say XP. All right, and let me choose any month. So if I click on continue right here, as usual, it's going to do the whole hacking thing. Okay, so you just have to wait a bit for it to finish this up. All right, as you can see here, it says error bot detected, pass human verification to continue. After you are done, your account will have premium membership. So if I click on this verify right here, as you can see here, this is the page. This is the content locker I made on Cpagrip. If you remember, you can see say you must complete 2 offers from the list to receive your free Twitch followers. So basically, I just use this as an example, but you don't want to use this, of course. All right, you want to make sure whatever you are writing here corresponds with the content locker. And as you can see here, these are 2 offers right here. So if they click on any of this offer, they will be taken to a page where they have to complete the offer and you get paid. All right, so basically that is how simple it is. As you can see here, the offer right here opened up. So basically all they need to do is type in their mobile phone here. So if any of the user type in their mobile phone here, I get paid. So basically that is how simple it is. All right, so if I go back to this site right here, as you can see, the link is looking so ugly. So what we can do to make the link look better, you want to come to this domain settings and you want to scroll to this option right here and edit site name. And you want to give the site a better name. So since it's a YouTube page, we can just say, get free YT. Okay, just as an example. So let's save that. All right, that's available. So if I click on this again, as you can see, the page just opened up. As you can see, it says get free yt.netlify.app. So basically, this is how you can get a free hosting and a free domain to use to promote your content lockers for absolutely free. All right, so basically if you have any question, drop them down in the comment section below, and if you find any value, of course, please leave a like on this video. I really appreciate it, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.